is Sahiti and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this face for the very first time, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am a beginner and your support means a lot to me. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Ajio tees and tops haul. In the before Ajio video, I already told you guys that I'll be showing tops and tees that I bought from Ajio. I bought them for very reasonable price. So all these products that I'm going to show you today can be bought with extra cashback. I'll show you how. Lately, I have realized that I've been spending so much on online shopping. I mean, who is not spending a little too much? So I stumbled upon this website called Cashkaro where I can earn cashback for everything that I buy online. These websites include Ajio, Amazon, Flipkart, Mamaearth, Myntra, and the list goes on. Isn't that cool? The more I shop, the more I save. So all these products that I'm going to show you today can be bought with flat 10% cashback using Cashkaro. So I'll tell you how you can earn cashback using Cashkaro in the later half of my video. Without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the first tee that I bought from Ajio. So this is a black and white tee. Okay, so this is white and black checks. This is so in trend these days, guys. You have a button in the back side. I bought this from the brand called DNMX. It is in the size L. This is again a little loose to me. So if you're planning to buy this, buy a little smaller size. Come on. So the next top is this summery yellow and white top. It has flared sleeves over here. So this is also very trendy and this is very soft to wear. I already wore this top in my before video. If you can see, I'll put the link in description box. So this is so breezy and this is so beautiful. This is from the brand called FIG and I bought in the size L again. This is exact fit to me. Good for summers or good for winters also if you can layer up with some overcoats or sweaters. So I like yellow color and this one looks very vibrant. Come on. So the next one is this black solid sweatshirt. This is from the brand called FIG. Now FIG is a brand that produces some cool sweatshirts. I bought this and from the same brand I bought another sweatshirt that has polka dots in it. So I bought this in the size XL because the sweatshirts look cool when you oversize it. This is so soft and comfy to wear. Like you can layer them with scarves and all. This looks amazing. Yeah, that is all of it. You can look at the video to know how this exactly looks on me. I saw people raving about Cashkaro on the internet and then I tried and now I understand what the hype is all about. I mean the results are amazing. Using Cashkaro is very simple you guys. It's just so simple. You just have to follow 2 simple steps. I'll tell you how.
Just click on the first link in the description box and make your account on Cashkaro. When you sign up on Cashkaro with the link in description, you instantly get 25 rupees bonus. Once you have made your account, just tap on your favorite icon or search for any website like I am searching for Ajio. Click on the orange button and then tap on Visit Retailer. This will take you to the website. Once you are there, just shop as you would normally do, add the products to the cart and make a transaction and even use any coupon codes that you have. After placing the order, check the My Earnings section of your Cashkaro account where the cashback or reward will get reflected. Cashback will be in pending and will get confirmed in few days if you don't cancel or return your order. Once the cashback or reward in your wallet reaches 250, you can transfer the entire amount to your bank account or convert into Amazon vouchers. That's how simple it is, guys.
The next one has my heart, guys. Look at that. I mean, this is so beautiful. I already made an Instagram reel video with this. I know most of you love Minions. I mean, who does not love Minions? Everybody loves Minions. So this is so beautiful and vibrant, guys. This yellow is so vibrant, good for summers, easy breezy. And you have a knot over here, so you can also use this as a crop top. It exactly fits into the trend. So the next one is this pant. Now this is out of the syllabus, guys. I mean, this video is about the tops and tees, but I also want to show you this pant. I got this for very reasonable price. This looks good on any kurti. This cloth feels like some jute cotton, guys. The length is up to the ankle, so this is comfortable to wear and this looks so dignified. So I really wanted to show you guys this one. I bought this for very reasonable price. So yeah. The last tee that I have for you is the particular one that I am wearing. This is not a tee, this is shirt. Okay, this is black and red. This is black and red checks shirt. You have full hands, but you can always, fold them off. And I paired this up with black jeggings. You can pair this up with skirts to give that Indo-Western look, or you can pair this up with jeggings and jeans to give that formal look, and you can pair this up with wide leg jeans or palazzos to give that fusion look. I mean, this is something that every girl needs in her wardrobe, like one shirt, one checks shirt that is vibrant. I showed you two tees, one top and a sweatshirt and a pant and this shirt. So all these products you can buy with extra cashback using Cashkaro. Apart from fashion, Cashkaro provides some massive cashbacks on lingerie and nightwear. Especially on Shyaway, you get 300 rupees off on orders above 450. Remember, sale or no sale, Cashkaro provides discount throughout the year. What more can we ask, guys? Download Cashkaro right now and start saving. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with another amazing video. Until then, please take care, keep smiling and